Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here is sslc. See, in our YouTube channel we are going to discuss the model paper, the preparatory paper and even the board exam paper also. But before your board exam, we are going to give a very important sessions. In that we are going to get a most expected question, like those questions can appear. Or in fact ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ. करेक्ट. सो क्वेश्चन वही आ सकते हैं. सो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. सब्सक्राइब ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So let's start. This is, you can see the science model paper given by the released by the KS Karnataka board, you can say. We'll discuss here the MCQs 1 mark question, and if you have any doubt you can write in comment. We will get the answer for those also. Center of spherical mirror, see this, and we'll not only just say the answers, we'll give explanation for those. This is spherical mirror, this is concave mirror, okay, this is convex mirror, this part is reflecting surface, this is reflecting surface. Okay, so the center of this spherical mirror is called pole. What is this? Pole. Center of lens, this is lens, this is concave lens. Center of lens will be called as optic center. Okay, boys and girls. Okay, so the next question. Ohm's law gives the relationship between what? See, Ohm's law states that what? Very important. See, this Ohm's law is going to come compulsory in your board exam. What it says that a potential difference is directly proportional to current flowing through a circuit. Correct, provided temperature and other physical conditions are constant. So it gives relationship between potential difference and current. So this is correct answer. Got it? Ohm's law, very important. V is equal to IR is the formula, remember. Or RI. R for resistance, V for potential difference, I for current. You can remember RIR, IR. You can remember Re. V is equal to Re. Re, like that we call in Kannada. So you can remember Re. Only 2 MCQs. Draw the symbol diagram of rheostat, a variable resistance. So this is 1 second. So rheostat, this is rheostat. Okay, or if you want you can do this is it. Write 2 properties of magnetic field line. See, magnetic field line arises from north pole, and merge into where? South pole. Okay. Any other magnetic field line inside the magnetic field lines are from south to north. Inside the magnet magnetic field lines are from south to north. Full spelling you write, don't write shortcut. And third point also, you can extra point, always better to keep a standby. Magnetic field lines are closed curve. Magnetic field lines are what? Closed curves. Fourth, magnetic field line never intersect each other. Never intersect each other. Magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Okay, the fourth point was there. Magnetic field lines are crowded at the pole and wide apart at other places. That point also you can include it. Okay, boys and girls. Next, what is long-sightedness? What is long-sightedness? Long-sightedness is nothing but it is a defect of eye where the person can see the far object but not near object. Can see which object? Can see far object but not near object. So you should be perfect with any one of the cause of like eye defect. Long-sightedness, short-sightedness, then you have cataract and you have a presbyopia. Remember this. I think out of long-sightedness or short-sightedness, anyone is there in your exam, board exam. So a person can see far object clearly but not the near object. Mention the causes for this defect. See, actually what are the causes here? Due to maybe the constriction of eyeball, constriction of eyeball, or you can say due to decrease in curvature of lens. Decrease in curvature of lens. These are the two these are the two causes. How can you correct it? Long they did not ask, but you should know. How can you correct it? You can correct by using a convex lens of suitable power. You should use which lens? Convex lens. Okay, boys and girls. Chalo. Then observe the circuit diagram given below. Answer the questions given. Mention the direction of magnetic field that forms around the point X and Y. So what is the magnetic field direction at around the point X and Y? So at X it is, see, this is your magnetic field lines here. They are in the form of concentric circles, correct? Okay, and these concentric circles you can find out the direction of magnetic field line by using which law, tell me? Yes, right hand thumb rule. So in this case it will come in this direction, anti-clockwise direction. Which direction? Anti-clockwise direction, remember. At this case it will come in which direction? Clockwise direction, remember. So at X it is anti-clockwise, at Y it is clockwise. Okay, bye. Understood? State the rule that help. Right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Maxwell right hand thumb rule also you can write. It is also known as what, corkscrew rule. What it is also called? Corkscrew rule. See, connecting electrical appliances in parallel in domestic electric circuit is better. Always you have to connect electric appliances in parallel in domestic electric circuit is better, because if one of the appliances get fail, then other will work. If anyone is not working, other will work. This is the first point you will write. Give two reasons, they said. Second reason, you can say total resistance is lesser than individual resistance will get. In series, total resistance is more. Okay, and in parallel, total resistance is lesser than the individual resistance. So that is another reason also you can write. Total resistance is less. Okay, as the formula 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3. So this is a reason better to connect electrical appliances in parallel. One component or one appliance get fail, other will work. Is it clear? Okay, so 3-mark questions are also easy, but we'll see in our next session. But if you have any particular doubt, the particular questions will get the solution of that also. Particular question, if you have one of the questions is already done, this numerical is done. Okay, magnification of mirror is +1. Okay, I'll get this. Sum is 12th one is done. So let's go for the chemistry. If you want particular question, type that 12th question you will get in our channel. Electrolysis of water from hydrogen form hydrogen and oxygen gases. Electrolysis of water like H2O, if you pass electricity, then it gives hydrogen and oxygen gases. It is an endothermic reaction. Which reaction? Because electricity absorbs the energy. Number of carbon and hydrogen atoms that are present in the molecule. Fifth number of alkene. Alkene C5H10. So how many carbon? 5 carbon, 10 hydrogen. How many? That is pentene. So 5 carbon and 10 hydrogen. So 5 and 10, A option. The property of carbon to form a bond with other carbon atom, very important, to give a large molecule is catenation. Okay, catenation. Next question. Isomerism is also very important. Okay, remember isomerism, get perfect. Same molecular formula, different structural formula. Butane isomers are very important. How can rancidity be controlled? Rancidity can be controlled by storing the food in a refrigerator, or keeping it in an airtight container, or by adding an antioxidant. 3 point I said you can write, or by flushing the nitrogen gas. Okay, 4 point I said any 1 point is enough. The pH value of antacid is more than 7. See, antacids are slightly basic in nature, so the bases have pH more than 7. Okay, antacids are basic in nature, alkaline in nature, so bases have pH more than 7. The conversion of ethanol to ethanoic acid is called oxidation reaction. Why? Because here ethanol gains the oxygen. Okay, the oxygen is added to ethanol. As oxygen is added to ethanol, you can say oxygen is added to ethanol. And here their oxidizing agents are used. Alkaline potassium permanganate. Alkaline potassium permanganate, remember, very important. Or acidified potassium dichromate is used. Acidified potassium dichromate. See, as I was telling you, what are structural isomers? Isomers have same molecular formula but different structural formula. And structural isomers of butane, there are two isomers, three isomers of butane. So this is butane. Here I will draw you 1 2 3 4 carbon in butane, and everywhere hydrogen you will give. Okay, bhai. This is called N-butane. Also, that is N for normal butane. Now you will give your one branch, and run valency of carbon is 4 balanced everywhere. Okay, na? So this is called isobutane. Isobutane. One more will come neobutane. Alright, neo. No, that's it. 2 only will come. 3 will not come. For pentane 3 will come. For butane 3 will not come. Yeah. N-butane, isobutane. Pentane 3 will come. Neopentane will come. So for this it will not come. Okay. What are functional group? The group which gives its property to the compound. The group which gives the what heteroatom, the atom or group of atom which give its property to the compound. Name the functional group present in propanol. It is aldehyde. As Al is there, so aldehyde. Propanol, alcohol will be there. Alcohol is OH, aldehyde is C double bond OH. C double bond OH. This is aldehyde. This is alcohol. Okay. How do blue and red litmus papers help to determine the nature of acid? The blue litmus paper and red litmus paper to determine nature of acids and base. See, blue litmus paper, if it is dipped in acid, it turns to red. Blue litmus turns to red in acid. Blue remain blue in base. Okay. And red litmus paper red remain red in acid. Red litmus paper turns to blue in base. Okay, got it. Write any two difference between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. See, saturated hydrocarbon have single bond between carbon atom. Unsaturated hydrocarbon have double or triple bond between carbon atom. So if you want to write saturated and this is unsaturated. Single bond between carbon atom, double or triple bond between carbon atom. Saturated hydrocarbon undergo substitution reaction. They undergo substitution reaction. Unsaturated hydrocarbon undergo addition reaction. Which reaction? Addition reaction. Okay. Saturated hydrocarbon are least reactive, less reactive. Unsaturated hydrocarbon are reactive, Baba, reactive. It includes alkane. It includes alkene, alkyne, like that. Okay. Got it. We gave you 4 points. 4 points. You can write any two. This is 3 mark. You can try. However, we'll come with the solution in other video. We are discussing 1 mark, 2 mark. Type of reproduction takes place in Plasmodium. Plasmodium causes, malaria. It is in multiple fission. Plasmodium multiple fission. Yes. Amoeba binary fission. Pyruvate is converted into in muscle cell. It will cause muscle cramp. So it is lactic acid. Okay. The next then. Observe the female reproductive structure in given figure. Correct statement related to this figure. See here it is the oviduct of fallopian tube is cut and join. Cut and join. You can see to this part. This part. Cut and join separately. So here fertilization will not take place. Fertilization of egg possible in both. Fertilization of egg is possible only in structure figure B. No, not possible. Fertilization of egg is possible only in the structure of figure A. Yes, fertilization of egg is not possible in both. So fertilization of egg is possible in figure A because it is not cut and join. Diagram of open stomata. You know stomata helps in transpiration. So this is, you can draw by seeing your textbook also. So this is guard cells. And this is stomatal pore which is open. When the water flows into the guard cell, it will get swelled, stomata get open. Sexual reproduction leads to more variation. So yes, sexual reproduction leads to more variation. Why? Because, any idea? Yes, because there is a fusion of male and female gamete. Fusion of male and female gametes. Both the parents are involved, right? In asexual reproduction, there is no fusion of male and female gamete. Okay. Use of non-biodegradable substances should be minimized. See, if non-biodegradable substances are used, as they cannot be decomposed, so they remain in the environment for longer time and they are harmful to living organisms. Okay, they are harmful to living organisms, so they cannot be decomposed or decomposed by any microbial activity. So they should be minimized. Okay. Understood, everybody? How is ozone layer is formed? Ozone layer is formed by joining oxygen molecule is splitted into nascent oxygen by intense UV radiation. This nascent oxygen combine with oxygen molecule to form ozone. What did I say? You understood? Oxygen molecule is broken down into nascent oxygen, okay, or monoatomic oxygen in the presence of UV rays. This nascent oxygen or monoatomic oxygen combine with oxygen to form a ozone. Okay, it is there in stratosphere. Protection of ozone layer is necessary. See, ozone layer protect us from harmful UV rays. Harmful. Give why? If ozone layer directly comes to the earth, then it leads to cancer, that is skin cancer, and premature cataract. Premature cataract. Premature cataract. Okay. Give an example of a food chain of an aquatic system. You can write blue-green algae, small insects, small fish, large fish. That's it. Is there an increase in number of organisms in the third trophic level? Increase in number of organisms. As the trophic level increases, number of organism decreases. Remember this. Okay. If there is a increase in the number of organism in the third trophic level, how does this affect on that food chain? If third trophic level number of organism will increase, then second trophic level organism will decrease. It will impact the food chain. It will affect the balance in an ecosystem. Okay, because if third trophic level will increase number of organisms, then more number of organisms they will start to eat more small insects, correct? So their population will decrease of khatam, they will got it. So round seed producing pea plant is hybridized with wrinkle seed pea plant. Mention the results obtained in F2 generation with the help of a checkerboard. See, if R is in this F1 generation, you will get this from F1 generation. This is F2 now here. So this is RR, 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 and R. 3 3 will get 3:1 is a ratio. You will get 3 round seeds, 3 round seeds, and 1 wrinkle seeds. Okay, 3 round seeds and 1 wrinkle seeds. This is F1 generation. This is checkerboard of F2 generation. Okay, understood. This is this checkerboard. This is F2. Hope you guys understood. 1 mark and 2 mark we discussed. 3 mark also will get a single question. So we'll meet again in our next video. Kindly subscribe it and share with your friend. Thank you.